Hello, this is Mrs. Wagner from the Media Center. This video is going to remind you on how to place a hold on a book. Now that we are going back into the hybrid learning model, we are able to check out books from the Media Center once again. However, during hybrid, we can't allow students to come in and browse and look at books. So I'm going to be showing you today how you can do that online. So the first thing you need to do is find the Osseo Middle School website. You can just Google it. Also, some of your teachers may have bookmarked the Destiny website already in your class, and you can look for that as well. Destiny is the program that we use to find books in our library. So once we get to the Osseo Middle School website, we're going to click on Family Access and go to Destiny Library. Of course, we want to click on Osseo Middle School to get to our Destiny library. Once you get here, I would strongly recommend that you bookmark this because there are a lot of resources in this page besides just books, and I'm going to go through that in just a minute. So once you're here, you're going to want to log in, and this is going to be your regular login that you use for school computers all the time. Over up on the left-hand side are the directions of how to place a hold in case you forget what I say today. But as a reminder, and for any new students, the way we're going to get books in your hands is that through this Destiny Discover site. So what you will do is you will search for books within this site, and you will find a book and you will click on hold. So if I'm looking at this book, When You Trap a Tiger, if I click on that and I decide I want that, I'm just going to click on hold, or I could click on favorite to save it for later. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Step 1, find a book, click on hold. Step 2, remember that you can only have up to 3 books at a time. So consider that when you're placing a hold. Please don't put 7 books on hold, only up to 3 at a time. Once we see your book on hold, we will pull it off of the shelf and we will deliver it to your advisory classroom as soon as we can. When you are finished reading that book, you are going to return that book either to your English classroom, there's a box in there, or you can return it to the Media Center bin outside in the hallway. So that's all there is to placing a hold for a book. Now, what I have done for you, because sometimes it is difficult to find books looking on a computer. So we have categories like recently added. These are new books to our collection, popular titles, genres, ebooks, all the way down. But if you scroll all the way down, we have put some work into creating some collections for you. For example, if you click on this collection, these are ALA Book Award winners this year. You can click on that and then see if you like any of those. I'm going to show you this one, authors mentioned in your advisory class. This year, during distance learning and hybrid learning, you've been featuring an author once a week during advisory class and looking at the books. So in this collection are all the books of the authors that we have talked about in advisory class. So these collections can really help you narrow down your search and to find a book a little bit better. There's a lot of different collections, Maud Hart Loveless Award winners. If you like to read about family books, friendship, bullying, there's just lots of different topics that you can look at through the collection. And then in the collection, when again you find your book and you just click on hold. One last thing I want to highlight are these learning links at the top. These are places that you may or may not use at some point. The first one is the Media Center, links you there. This one links you to ebooks only. This book links you to a form that you can fill out if you wish that Osseo Middle School would purchase a certain book title. We don't have it and you wish we did, so you can recommend it right here. This link right here gives you some tech help. So if you're having issues with your Chromebook, that links you straight there. And this is online databases if you're doing some research. So again, this is a really good site, Destiny Discover, to bookmark on your Chromebook right away. So if you ever have any questions, please find me, Mrs. Wagner, in the Media Center. I'm out in the hallway during passing times all the time. I can't wait to see the books that you place on hold that you want us to deliver to you. Have a great day.